What's up, guys? It's your boy Kobe Breeze Reaction, and today I'm back with another reacting video. MGK Killer Cam, Freestyle, the cipher. Let's get into it. My bad.
Yeah. Oh, really? Big dope beats, nigga. Motherfucker can't clean speak. You heard me? Real bad money gang, real bad party gang, man. Top shot of Don Dada. First 48 gang, man. Step on everything. Hold on. All this water on my wrist. You try that shit, you gon' get drenched. Barely shoot cause I got rich, but still drop 30 off the bitch. Should've upped that bitch quick, but he was too late. 40 hitting that bitch like a shine a blue face. You ain't with the shit, then you can't spend with us. You ain't murder gang, ain't no gangsta shit you did with us. Nigga better duck, you see me lift it up. He tried to score on me like bad keys, I blew his ticket. Used to be a problem that had me bandit rolling loud. Reaching for my chain to up this bitch blowing the crowd. Bring your chicken up, boy, all that bro shit out of style. Big stepper, 2 feet in, don't get out of bounds. Try my white boy and he got whacked. Dragged him out the club like I'm security. Damn, I forgot I rap. Damn, I be front line, PC don't sit in the back. Put you on a shirt for cheap, it look like TJ Maxx. Educate my nigga, never met Cuddy. Ain't saying he ain't from Cleveland, I just never met Buddy. Even not a preacher, I can't go like Corey Banks. A nigga played and I'ma go like you money. Glizzy on my hip, I up the switch, I ain't gon' miss. I don't miss when I'm on hits and I damn sure don't miss a bitch. Me on your strip, bitch, your set, if I send that blitz, thought I was recording them on my story, saw that flashlight on that flick. Oh, Brit.
Y'all should listen when I'm speaking, cause I'm really saying something. There's a difference between who's authentic and betraying something. There's a difference between independence and your label front. Like there's a difference between being legendary and just having your name buzzing. Blood don't mean nothing. I'm closer with Slim than my real cousin. Fuck 12, JoJo down 13, that's a baker's dozen. Ate a chicken leg, playing chicken head while her face thumping. The friction from it make noise like when a cricket's legs rubbing. I was aiming for a mouth, couldn't control it, now her hair crunchy. Left and hit over street market, spent the honey. I'm a serial fashion killer like Ted Bundy. I spend it on Saturday, I could be dead Sunday. I'm really nice with this. I watch reaction videos, you miss some bars, so I need you to listen twice to this. Like if I say I'm a monster, I don't mean metaphorically. I mean I'm genetically spliced with it, lyrically priced with it. Fear I got Nike fit. My boy Dean used to have crack inside his Nike kicks. That's not my lane. Give me a beat, don't care what type it is. I'm about to recite viruses on whoever's mic this is. Y'all won't give me my flowers, but y'all hyping this. Ears must be damaged, someone Mike Tyson did. The flow's tight like Ice Spice's fit, but my rigs loose like my 4X white tee in 2006. Hey, I've known Doughboy since 2006. I really opened for Gucci Man in 2006. I used to drop songs and only get 2,000 clicks. Now I can stack plaques up like 2,000 bricks. All my boys self-employed, got the banks, no Lloyd. At the crib, lot of toys, got a kid, no Leroy. Got the fridge with the Croy, smoking loud, fuck the noise. Use the throat, not a voice, she ate the nut like Almond Joy. I got a driver, he pull up, go beep beep. Acting like I ever quit rapping, y'all sleep. I wore some pink and now he thinking I'm sweet. We left the club and cooked his ass like street meat. Feeling like Cameron, turn the camera on. Look at the Jewels, repping the old boy, not the Jewel Santana song. I've had this number too damn long. Don't hit me if it's not about money. I want my text green like Samsung.
Yeah. You know what the fuck going on, man. Cleveland, stand up, man. The biggest, man. You hear me? You gotta come holler at us. You wanna make it through this.